I think what was useful for me for the CRT program was that it helped to put other things that I was already kind of thinking about and working on into specific containers and terms and ideas of approaching the information essentially.
Reading How to Talk About Race was more refreshing because it was not filtered through anyone's perspective. And actually, she was the one quoted in White Fragility quite a bit. So, but it just made things very easy to talk about. But it was interesting with my classes that I showed that to. They were they had no issues with it at all. They thought, oh well, that of course is what this is.
I have been working with Mary Harriet Talbot since she began doing the book studies. We talked about it and the books that she would use, and she was just seeking some input from several professors. And I thought it was a great way to build conversations amongst people who don't see each other every day.
I knew because of my relationship with the Black student population that I want to have on this campus that I needed way more tools just to get out of my own way, essentially. Last year was my 4th year here, and it was the first year where I had enough time and space in my schedule to actually participate in more CSTL events than I had in the past. And it just was the right time, and I saw what books were coming down the pipeline. So, for example, I'd already read the White Fragility book, and then it came up, but I just read it in my own space, my own time. I needed that space to help unpack information, and also to hear the other perspectives of other faculty. So people kind of have trended towards like, oh, I want to do the culturally responsive teaching thing because they already have a mind for it or a heart for it. But I think one of the reasons that people do that is because they're like, well, how am I supposed to use this in my X discipline? And it's totally possible. And I think that's what was useful about the books that we read this year is that you can use any of them basically in any discipline. You just have to learn creative ways. And I never thought, oh, and watching other people's presentation, I was like, oh, of course this is something that the nursing program needs to do. And our colleagues were doing brilliant presentations on how they were using this information in ways that I was like, oh, okay, I've never thought about that in any way, shape, or form.